Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the prerequisites, the access token or key phrase, and a calibrated stealth module. Once done, align your map bearings to the nexus grid and lock a 1/2-hour window when distortions are lowest. Move immediately to the waypoint and deploy your light cloak. This minimizes encounters and keeps heat signatures below detection. Make sure to plant a single comm beacon as a fallback. Then step through the minor rift to the outer threshold to trigger the universe handshake. You now progress through the middle gates, where timing and pattern reading matter most. First, send cadence pulses to decode the lock patterns. Listen for the third echo as your cue. Once decoded, proceed using beacon triangulation if you must reveal position briefly. That trade-off gives you orientation without full exposure. During this stretch, manage resource drain carefully. Prioritize cloak integrity over secondary tools so you don't lose stealth. Keep moving, lingering attracts attention, and adjust pulses to avoid repeating signatures. You reach the final approach. Perform the silent handshake protocol with the office of whom it may concern by mirroring their 3-tone sequence. Once they accept, retrieve the seal or response artifact and immediately verify its signature using your comm beacon to avoid forgery. If the handshake stalls or alarms spike, abort to the nearest safe zone and reroute within 10 minutes to reset your trace. As a troubleshooting tip, if alignment fails, recalibrate cadence speed by plus or minus 15% and retry the handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.